to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you've never been here before. I thank you all for stopping by. It really means a lot to me. So for this video, I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing for the month of January. I'm so excited to be doing this. I haven't opened the box yet, so I have no, well, it's not really a box, it's a bag, but I haven't opened my bag yet to see what's inside of it. I've been getting Ipsy for almost a year now, and I've loved every single bag that I've gotten. That's why I'm so excited to be unboxing this or unbagging this on my channel, so if that's something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. Alrighty, so I've got my bag right here. It just comes in like the standard envelope. I just blacked out my address so you guys would know where I live. So I'm just gonna rip this thing open and see what's inside. So normally it comes with little cards stating what is inside. It says on here, new year, new products, or new year, more products, more focus on you. So it comes with this like little thing, and it usually used to come with like a little postcard type thing, but now it kind of like opens up like it's like a little thing. So that's so cute, and it's got all the products on here. I'm not gonna look at what's in here because I'd rather be surprised. I'm gonna put this off to the side. And when I was pulling that out, I accidentally, well, not accidentally because it was put together, but I pulled out 2 sheet masks. So I've got these 2 sheet masks. One says you can't handle the sheet, and it's by a brand called Jinjuin. I'm assuming Jinjuin. So it's a you can't handle the sheet mask. It says it's got volcanic ash in it and it's purifying. This sheet is hot stuff. Infused with natural volcanic ash extract, this mask helps to absorb excess sebum and tighten up pores for a clearer, smoother complexion. I would love to use this. I'm probably going to use it tonight just because it says it tightens up your pores, and I'm always looking for stuff that's going to make my pores look nice and tight and look good on camera. So definitely going to be using this very soon. And then the second sheet mask is also by a brand called Jinjuin, and I'm really hoping I'm saying this right. If I'm not, correct me down below. But it says this sheet is bananas, and I love that play on Gwen Stefani. The sheet is bananas. So it's got hyaluronic acid, and so it's a hydrating sheet mask. And it says that this mask is so moisturizing, it's bananas. Infused with ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid, this sheet mask will pump any dry skin full of moisture for glowing skin in minutes. I just finished filming my glowy foundation routine, so having hydration is very important to me, as you can probably see from that video. If you haven't, I'll put a card somewhere up above. I don't really know where to point. This is only like my 5th video, but I'm really looking forward to this because I need that hydration in the winter. So I'm gonna use this very soon. Alrighty, so reaching in here, another thing that's not in the actual Ipsy bag is this cute little brush, and it's a brush by the brand. Actually, let me look in. That's why this is helpful, because the writing on that brush is okay. So it's by SL Miss Glam, Slimmest Glam. It's spelled SL Miss Glam, so I don't know if it's SL Miss Glam or Slimmest Glam. Slimmest Glam. Let's just call it Slimmest Glam because that's gonna be fun. But it's the SB68 eye brush. It says it's a new year, so what better time to step up your shadow blending game. This shadow brush is fab for smudging liner or shadow along your lash line, or blending deep shadow shades into your crease to make your eyes pop. It can be used with your cream products or your powder formulas. But our fave part, it's so fun and sparkly. And it is. So taking this out of its package, I see that it's a really glittery brush, and it's got like this cute little cotton candy tip on the top. I love these brushes. I've gotten so many different types of brushes from this brand, and I love them so much. I am someone that doesn't really like natural brushes. I think that they're way too rough on my eyes. Like, I have very sensitive eyes, so I think that having a synthetic type of brush like this one is so nice for my eye. And I like that it's got like a nice long handle, and it's really easy to clean. Like, that's one of my favorite parts, is that it's so easy to clean. It's not like I have to keep going back on and like scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. Like, I can just do like a couple little passes and it runs clear and it's good to go. So really excited about this brush. So moving on to the actual Ipsy bag. This thing is so cute, isn't it? Oh my gosh. This is gonna sound really weird, but like, this bag reminds me of like those ladies that go to the Hamptons and they wear those like pants that are like this kind of thing, and they wear sandals. I don't know, it's weird. Opening up this bag, I see 1, 2, 3 products in here, which is, I don't know if that's more than I usually get, but that seems really good. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara, and it says it's in the shade black. I got like this really nice wand shape. It's kind of like an hourglass. It's kind of got like the same brush style that you would see on the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which again is one of my favorite mascaras in the world. Like, it's so good. So I'm really hopeful to see if it's like that kind of mascara. Alrighty, so for this mascara, it says that the Wonder Wand mascara is volumizing, lengthening, curling, defining. It's no wonder, get it? This mascara. It says this mascara has become our go-to for out of this world lashes. Its superpower lies in an hourglass shaped wand, see, I told you about the wand, that coats every single lash, even the teeniest ones, in rich carbon black color. So this product is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly, so that's really good. I'm really excited to be trying this one out, and I will let you guys know how I feel about that. Next, in my bag, I got the Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream from the brand So Susan Cosmetics. And it says that this highlighting cream is vegan, has no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, and it says it's hypoallergenic. So the brand says, unleash your wildest dreams and make them real with our creamy, hyper-luminous, and light-shifting highlighter formulation. This oil-free hybrid cream gel base is blended with an ultra-concentrated mixture of fine mica and holographic rainbow particles that adjust to your skin tone, transforming it into a truly one-of-a-kind dreamy glow. So I'm really excited about that. Let me open this up and see what it looks like. So I don't know if anyone out there knows about Ipsy, but like you can get full-size products and you can get trial-size products. Like this mascara is trial size, the sheet mask is a full-size product, the brush obviously is a full-size product. This is, actually I'm not sure if it's a full-size product or not. It's kind of small, but it looks like it's something for a liquid highlighter. It looks like it could be the full size, I'm not entirely sure. But I like this packaging, it's really cute, and it's in the shade Pop Star. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I kind of want to see what it looks like on my skin, so I'm going to swatch this a little bit. Oh wow, that is pigmented. So this is what it looks like just on my hand. It's pretty bright, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to rub it in. Oh wow, okay. So it was like a silvery kind of shade, and then it turned into like a kind of a goldish shade, which is kind of weird. But yeah, that's interesting. I'm really excited to test that on my skin, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about that one as well. So next I have the Crystal and Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles by Seraphine Botanicals. This product is not tested on animals, so it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's GMO-free, and it's gluten-free, and the shade is Smoky Quartz. It says that this is an ultra-fine powder for the face enriched with tiny, gleamy, crystalline particles. So yeah, I'm really excited to open this up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I was saying, sometimes you're gonna get like trial sizes, but this is like a full-size product. So I can't tell if it's like a face product or if it's an eye product. So it says apply onto your lids, cheekbones, brow bones, wherever you need a touch of radiance. Mix it with your primer for a hit of solid bronze color, or apply using your fingers for a sheer shimmering effect. Whatever you want to glow, this multitasking loose pigment can make it happen. So I would say that this is like a full-size product just because you can use it on your eyes. If you want to just use it as an eyeshadow, if you just wanted to use it as, you know, a highlight, I don't know, whatever you want to use it for, you can, which I think is really nice. So I'm just going to empty a little bit of this into the lid. And I'm going to swatch this on my hand for you guys. Oh wow, yeah, that's really pretty. So it's kind of like a rose gold shade. Don't know if you can tell. No, you can't really tell. But it's a rose gold kind of shade. I really like that because I really love rose gold colors. So that's really up my alley. I will say one thing that's really good about Ipsy is that when you have the app, you can go on and you can review products, and it asks you like, do you like this? Do you like this shade? Do you like face products? So the more you use it and the more you like review it, the more fine-tuned the matches are going to be. Because I've said that I liked mascaras that I've gotten. I've liked highlighters and shadows and brushes and masks. So they're highly receptive to, hey, she really liked that, so we're going to send her more products like that. So I'm really appreciative of that. Alrighty guys, so all in all, I really like this bag this month. I think that Ipsy did a really good job of matching what I like and my preferences to what I actually got this month. So that's about it. So if you'd like to see more unboxings, more haul style videos, more product review videos, if you want me to do any updates on these products that I got in this bag, make sure you let me know down in the comments. What kind of subscription boxes do you have, if you have any? If you don't have one, what kind of subscription box would you consider subscribing to? Let me know down in the comments below. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.